it's a blanket. What's that?
What is that?
What's that?
And it's a pumpkin mask sheet.
Oh, I know that.
Oh, it's so nice.
You'll put it in your face.
Wow. Damn.
That's amazing.
Hurry up, Caitlin, so you can open yours too. Next, you read first and then you open.
From Caitlin.
I buy that.
Oh, you are rich. You can buy gift already. Ta-da!
I think you like it.
The name?
Okay, next.
It's from me.
You don't remember?
I think you said it's from Fukushima. Let's see. It's a clothes.
I don't know.
Hurry up, Caitlin. You're next.
Your nails must be very soft.
Open yours now.
What's this? Wow, so big. Damit. Why is this so big? I'm not big.
Akala ko nabaligtad. Okay, next.
Where's mine?
From Aaron. Nice.
Now, Darlene and Ella have also this.
This one
From
Kazi.
Next,
Kazi.
Caitlin.
It's so big. And then this next. Caitlin, this.
From Ate Chloe.
Yes, that's what Ate Zara.
That's Kazi's gift. What is that?
Mama, it's the toy.
Yeah.
This one.
Bathrobe. Oh, may new bathrobe. Ganun. Next.
One from Mama and Papa.
What is that?
Can we both open this?
Come and see.
This is from me.
You read. Kate.
This is for me.
This Ate.
This is for me. I'll open this.
It's okay, tear it, Ate. Broke it. Wish come true.
Oh,
Next.
I'm waiting for it. Mama, this is for me and Ate.
Go next.
I'm waiting for it.
There, oh, Caitlin.
Where? This?
The big one.
The big one? is this?
Wait, ate, that one, oh. You go over there.
Go from Aaron. Huh?
Oh,
Huh?
what?
Bond paper.
Oh. Oh, got a charger. Mama. A ribbon. Oh. I don't even know how to play this. Huh?
I will teach you how to play it. Can you open that
This.
gift there, oh? The brown one?
This. This is for me. I know it's a lot. I need scissors.
No, just tear it.
No, it's so
Like that.
soft.
Wow, it's for Mama. See? Huh? Andyan.
This is for me or you?
Baka nahulog.
For us.
Hindi ko alam.
Wow, I like
So
it.
cozy.
Wow, nice.
Wow, so many.
Huh?
A school bag. Whoa.
Caitlin.
Oh.
Picture. Show it.
Saan?
Stand up.
Huh? Yan yan.
Nalahaman. Wait. Oh, what is yours?
Ooh. I know what was my melody.
Wow. Labubu.
What did you? A dog. I got
Nice, cute.
so squishy.
Oh, your wish came true. You want a squishy.